Jersey health officials say they're tracking more than 200 people who attended the president's fundraiser there on Thursday of last week. Here are the numbers from the New Jersey governor. 206 attendees and 19 staff members at the Trump National Golf Club in Bedminster. The CDC reports it's helping the state track down anyone from out of state. Did the president's fundraiser violate health guidelines? Well, the New Jersey governor, Phil Murphy, said today on CNBC that he's investigating. If it did, he says, he's calling the state attorney general.
And it is clear that the president and his staff acted recklessly in coming to New Jersey in the first place, knowing that they had been exposed to someone with a confirmed positive test.
To Frank Holland now on the ground tonight in Bedminster with more on how health officials are trying to keep this virus from spreading.
Charlie Colleen felt safe enough at the president's fundraiser on Thursday to take his face covering off. Today, he and more than 200 others on an attendee list provided by the White House are the focus of contact tracing by New Jersey and federal health officials after the president tested positive for COVID-19.
He seemed to be in great health and high spirits, so I was very surprised to learn the next day that he did contract coronavirus.
Colleen and several other donors who attended the event believe proper safety protocols were in place, telling CNBC face coverings were only allowed off in smaller groups, including a sit-down and a photo op with the president for the biggest donors. Both were held indoors, but attendees say they were kept at least 6 feet away from the president and only allowed a minute to chat. Still, some understand the controversy.
I think the speculation is justified as to whether the president knew or not. I didn't feel unsafe based on the procedures they were taking. Whether the president knew or not, if he was sick, I can't say.
I do believe if the president knew that he had COVID, the campaign should have canceled the event beforehand.
Contact tracing emails from New Jersey advised anyone within 6 feet of the president for more than 10 minutes to quarantine for 14 days. Catherine Hermes says she does not feel at risk.
I was about 40 to 45 feet away. The president stood behind a podium when I saw him. So I see no reason why I would even suspect that I'm going to get ill.
This is very much a race against the clock.
New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy saying the actions by the president and attendees could come with grave consequences.
The actions leading up to and during this event have put lives at risk.
And Shep, the governor and the state health department are urging all the attendees to take a COVID test between tomorrow and Thursday. They say it can take 5 to 7 days for the virus to be detectable, and a negative result before then is just not as reliable. Back over to you.
Frank Holland live in New Jersey. Shep Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.